Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Sony a6700. I feel as though we've been waiting years to see a new addition to Sony's APS-C mirrorless cameras, and I'm happy to say now the wait is finally over. Now, although I've not been using the a6700 for long, I can already tell you that this wait has definitely been worth it. We've got a 26 megapixel APS-C XMOR-R BSI CMOS sensor, along with the Bionz XR processor, which offers both incredible image quality, resolution, and speed for enhanced usability. The a6700 also houses the same AI processing unit as the A7R5, which gives us Sony's best and most accurate subject recognition and focusing. We've got an ISO range of 100 to 32,000 in both stills and video, which is expandable from 50 to 102,400 in stills. 5-axis optical in-body image stabilization up to 5 stops, improved color reproduction, and more natural and smooth skin tones with better exposure control for human faces. You can shoot in HEIF, which is the high efficiency image file, which is a welcome addition to the A6000 series, and there's also the option to shoot in lossless compressed RAW too. 11 frames per second continuous shooting with AF/AE tracking and a large buffer memory to complement it. You can shoot over 1,000 JPEG images, 59 RAW or 44 RAW and JPEG. When it comes to video, there are a lot of similarities between the a6700 and the FX30 and ZV-1. We've got 4K recording at 60p, which is oversampled from 6K, full pixel readout without binning. You can also shoot 4K up to 120p for your 5x slow motion, or if you want to go slower, then you can go full HD up to 240p. There are, of course, a ton of other video recording options as well. We've got 10-bit depth and 422 color sampling in camera, S-Log3, S-Cinetone, and log recording with LUTs for all your post-production needs. There's also the option to use auto framing. This is the AI-based subject recognition technology, which will automatically crop the frame to keep the subject in a prominent position. This could be ideal for interview scenarios, or if you're doing like a tutorial video for hair, makeup, cooking, anything like that, as you can control the crop size and tracking speed. There's also in-camera time-lapse creation, AF assist, focus map, focus peaking during AF, breathing compensation, wind noise reduction, and lots of these useful details are actually captured in your metadata for a more effective workflow. I mentioned earlier that the a6700 uses the same AI processing unit as the A7R5, but what does that actually mean? Well, simply put, it means we have got far better focusing and subject detection than we've ever had on an APS-C camera from Sony. We've got real-time recognition AF and tracking for a bunch of subjects: humans, animals, insects, birds, planes, trains, cars. And if that wasn't enough, then we've also got human pose estimation. So this is where if the camera can't pick up on an eye or a face, it will still recognize that there is a human in your frame, and it will keep them in focus as they move around. Now, there's also been improvements to the animal detection too. So rather than just needing to lock onto an eye, you've now got head and body. So again, this is going to increase and improve your chances of locking on focus and keeping your subject tracked. And that's not all, of course. The a6700 also offers some more detailed settings for your subject recognition too. And again, these can be found on the A7R5. So just for reference, here's a quick look at those settings. We've got up to 759 face detection points, covering 93% of the frame, which is a huge improvement over its predecessor, the a6600, at 425 points and only 84% coverage. It's more accurate in low light, with the AF working down to -3 EV, And you can also shoot up to 299 images with sequentially shifted focus points for your bracketing. One of the things I've always loved about the A6000 series has been its portability. Traditionally, when you think of a mirrorless camera, you're thinking of something which has a small and compact form factor, and the A6700 is no different. So if size and portability is important to you, then this camera certainly fits the mark. We've got a beautiful bright OLED viewfinder, a 3-inch vari-angled touchscreen, which offers ease of use with either tapping away for the setting that you want or swiping up for the function menu. The grip has been made deeper, so if you're worried about a small camera big lens scenario, don't be, as this offers you a lot more security. And we've now got an assignable front dial control, as well as a dedicated stills movie S&Q dial. Honestly, this is a great little camera, and if you're looking for something that's going to complement you on your travels, daily outings, photo or video projects, and you're not ready to go full frame, but you still want that high quality, then this could definitely be the camera for you. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony a6700, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.